Hi guys, so let's see now why we need to use this Azure Data Lake. So we know that now modern organization, they will collect data from many different sources. It can be from applications, websites, sensors, social media, and many more. So all of these data, they come in different shapes and sizes. So it can be the video, text logs, such as keeps on growing rapidly, right? So traditional storage systems, it can't handle this volume, variety, and speed of data efficiently. So that is where this Azure Data Lake will come in. So it will solve by providing a central place to store any kind of data. It can be structured or unstructured. With the scalability, it can have cost effectiveness, it can have easy access for analytics, and also it further compliances with the security with enterprise grade protection as well. And why we need to use this data break, we can basically say it can store all of this as is, and we can organize, clean, and analyze it later. Now, we can see here with I have already shown a diagram over here. So it's saying why we need to use Azure Data Lake. So imagine you will run a big school with thousands of students. I'm going to give a simple explanation. Every day you collect all kinds of data. It can be attendance, homework files, photos from events, feedback surveys, videos of lectures. It can be application usage. So all of these data will be different. Some will be text, some will be files, and some will be videos. Then now you'll be need a place to store all of this together safely without worrying about their size or format, right? Then later what we'll do, we need to analyze this data to improve the student experience performance later. That's what Azure Data Lake will do. So it stores any kind of data. It can be structured, it can be unstructured. So it can come from app, something like this. So when I talk about any kind of data, it can be text, videos, logs. You don't need to organize it first. You can store any large amount of data. On the left-hand side, we can see here structured data. So it can be a book, a photo, that comes under unstructured. Structured is a book, unstructured can be photo. I can say application data, it can come from images, I said, from mobiles, sensoring data, a gear as well. So that is where the arrows they are being pointed to the cloud, as I already explained in my last video through the introduction of Azure Data. So it can store all kinds of data. And what happens in the right side, we can see here that arrow is going downward. So we can then, there's a chart icon which will analyze this data. Light bulb, which will get the insights. It can make smart decisions. People will make decisions, and light bulb that will take the insights of this, uh, all of these data. Now, when I talk about this Azure Data Lake, there's one more important term which comes under this. I want to talk about the problem statement. It's 4 V's, which is very important when we talk about Azure Data Lake. Why? Because there is a term called as big data, right? In today's world, where we have many data, every click, every like, or every sensor that we use, it will generate a data, not little, but very large amount of data. So this is what we call it as big data. So big data is like a wild party. So it comes in large amount of volume, very fast, that is velocity with very different kinds. So that's why I call it as variety. And finally, it is all not perfect. So we call it as veracity. So that is where this problem statement comes in when we talk about Azure Data Lake. So when we talk about volume, what it means huge amount of data. That's exactly what is being shown over here. How much data? Variety or example can be for a volume is social media post logs, videos, all such as that. So what Azure Data Lake can do, it can store unlimited amounts of data cost efficiently. Then we have velocity, or I can talk about variety. Variety, what it does, data will come in all kind of format. It can be text, image, audio, video, code. So it can be PDF reports as well, YouTube video. So Azure Data Lake can store any kind of data, no matter which kind of format. What is velocity? Many people ask me, what is velocity? What is veracity? So velocity, data will come in very fast in real time or every second. So it can be live website click, IoT sensor, stock prices. So it can ingest and store data very quickly for later processing. So that is what it says. How frequent or real time is the data? Then we have veracity. So what is this veracity? Data, it can be messy or it can be incomplete. So it's not always reliable. So that's how accurate and applicable is the data that is coming in. So a form, it can be missing fields, sensor data with glitches. So how Azure Data Lake will help you? It can store the raw data first, and then it can clean and validate all of these later. So this is what we call it as big data, that data which is too big, too fast, and too complex for traditional systems to handle. So that is why we need the Azure Data Lake. Yes, thank you.
Welcome to LWP Labs. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to view free Azure DevOps live classes. And for more videos like this, please contact the number shown in the description. Happy learning!